The Fox and the Grape. One sunny afternoon, a hungry fox was walking through the forest. He had been searching for food since morning, but he could not find anything to eat. His stomach growled, and his throat felt dry. Just when he thought of giving up, he saw a bunch of ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a vine. The grapes looked fresh, purple, and sweet. The fox's mouth watered. "Ah, these grapes will fill my stomach," he said happily. He jumped to grab them, but the grapes were too high. He tried again, jumping higher this time, but still he could not reach them. He stepped back, ran forward, and leaped with all his strength. Yet the grapes were far beyond his reach. The fox grew tired but did not stop. He jumped again and again, hoping to get at least one grape. But every time he failed. His legs ached and sweat rolled down his body. After many tries, the fox finally sat down under the vine, exhausted. He looked at the grapes shining above his head and sighed. At last, he stood up and said angrily, "These grapes are probably sour anyway. I don't want them." With that, he turned his back and walked away. Though his stomach was still empty, he pretended he did not care. Moral: it is easy to hate what you cannot have.